It's on, isn't it?
It's on.
Hello everybody, welcome to a nice sunny afternoon here in Cornwall. Starting to get a little bit wintry leading up to Christmas, but beautiful when the sun's out. This is a T4, not quite as beautiful in its current state. You might have seen our previous video on YouTube showing some of the common areas that these things tend to start corroding. This is the prime example. It's going around the screen aperture, the front wheel arches, the front wings, a few other little localized areas on the lower sections, but nothing too major, certainly not like a Vito of similar era. So this one's coming in to have all that rust sorted out. A full colour change, is going a nice shade of grey with a few black details hopefully on it. So let's get this into the workshop, rip it apart and do what we do. The guys are getting this stripped down quicker than the monkeys at the drive-through safari at Longley, and finding plenty of bits that need repair. On with the metalwork. So there we go, another T4 transformed. This one, a lovely shade of grey. We've got a lot of details on this in gloss black. All the handles have been stripped down, a bit of clearance filed in them to take the extra thickness of the coating. So we do things properly here when we colour code stuff. So we've got handles in gloss black, mirror bases in gloss black. So when we get a T4 in, we like to give it a few little touches that give it that modern look. As you can see, it's got tinted rear glass. I think that's a very modern looking addition. And likewise, the number plate plinth on the rear, smoothing that plastic and giving that a coat of gloss black with the handles as well, really lifts the back end of this vehicle, because they can look a bit builder's van, and these sorts of things make them look a lot more like the T5s, the T6s, the modern vehicles. These modern LED lights are also a really nice touch, and actually these clear lenses work really well with this grey colour, I think. So yeah, overall I think this is starting to look like a brand new van rather than an old T4. So overall, just a really nice looking modernised camper. What more can I say? It looks cracking, don't you agree?